Hi, this is Michelle. Welcome to my channel. First, of course, I would like to thank everyone who has watched my videos, who has liked my videos, who has subscribed, who has left me comments and feedback. I thank you very, very much. Today I am doing a reveal of a bag that I found on eBay. Everybody knows I love eBay. And the bag is the Coach TABBY 26 with rivets. Now, I had set a budget for myself for this bag because it is very popular, so most times you have to pay pretty close to retail. I set a budget for about $200, and I believe that's what I paid for it. I think it was $199 on eBay. And very excellent condition, like new condition. No smells, no scratches, no, it's in excellent, excellent condition. And I got all of the pieces that were supposed to come with the bag, so I was extremely happy with the purchase. Let's start off with the measurements. The bag is 10 1/4 long. It is 6 inches high and 3 inches deep. The strap drop, the handle drop, I should say, is 7 3/4 inches high. And then the crossbody strap that it comes with is 21 inches and 1/4. So let me give you a close-up of the bag so that you can see all of the detail on the bag. Let me come back a little bit. And what I really like about, well, first, let me do what I normally do. This is the front of the bag. This is the side, and it just comes with the this is not a 1941 bag. Just comes with the regular hang tag. But this is the side of the bag. This is the back of the bag. The other side. And then the bottom of the bag. Now on the top of the bag, as you can see, it has the pebble, or the flap on the bag is in pebble leather. And of course you have the rivets all the way around the perimeter of the flap. And then you have, of course, the big C. And this is done in the muted gold-toned hardware, which I really like. I think the muted gives it just enough interest without it being too flashy. And then this is the front panel, front suede panel, which is also a pocket. And again, rivets all the way around the front of the bag. And then what I wanted to show you was the back is done, and I don't know if this is glove tanned leather or not, glove tanned smooth leather or not. I'm assuming it's not, because it's not stated on the bag, but it is a smooth leather. And what I like is that the edges are burnished, almost with a little hint of black, which I think is really nice. I hope the camera's picking that up. And it's not too bright because the camera's right under the light that's on the ceiling. So sometimes, and you should see it right there. So sometimes it kind of washes out the color of the bags that I'm trying to show. And then what I also wanted to show you was the interior up close. I believe this is a microfiber, and it's done in a dark plum color. I don't know if this is oxblood or not, but again, rivets all around the perimeter, even on the inside. And just to give you a close-up of the interior, now this is really dark, so I don't know if I can get enough light in there so that you can see the interior of the bag. Hopefully I'm getting enough light in there. And then the other show was that on the hardware, there is the Coach emblem. Am I showing? Yep, right there. And then also on the strap, on the little handle for the strap drop. So what I'm going to do is bring the camera down so that you can see what fits. Oop. Wait, that's not too low. Good. Let me bring it up just a little bit more. I think it's too low. Okay. So now I'm going to just show you what fits with the items that I normally carry every day. And I think this gives, this gives you a better view of the interior. Here's the smaller pocket in the back. That will not fit the case for my phone. And then here's the back compartment area. Then here is the zipper pocket right here. Then we have the front compartment here. And then again, you have the pocket for on the front panel. Yep. Which has the microfiber on the suede side, and then on the back, it's leather. And then on the back of the bag, you have another generous pocket right here, which is, again, really nice. And this is the case that I use for my iPhone 6 Plus. And that easily fits in that back pocket. I believe it will also fit, yep, in this front pocket. And like I said, it's too long for this pocket right here in the back, so it won't fit there. Now what I normally carry is my Michael Kors Slim wallet. And I'm just going to put that in the back compartment. And that fits, but it takes up, it's just about the length of the bag. Now, of course, I could still get my phone in there if I wanted to slip my phone in that same compartment. This slim wallet also fits in the front compartment. And actually, honestly, I think the front and the back compartments are about the same. They have the same capacity, or they're about the same size, because I believe I can still, yep, get my phone in there with my wallet. And then I also carry, I carry two other pouches. I carry this one, but this is way too large for this bag. Let's see. Yeah, see, that's way too large for this bag. Well, probably because of the stuff that I have in here. I have my smaller pouch, Michael Kors, and that will fit in the bag, in the back of the bag. And it'll fit in either compartment. Like I said, that front compartment and the back compartment are about the same size, so it doesn't matter. They're interchangeable, so you can get that in there pretty easily. And once those items are in, because remember my phone, case for my phone is in there, that's all I really need for the day. And it does close. So, and you know, it doesn't mess up the look of the bag. You can't even tell that I have those three items in there. But that's about it, because if I wanted to get anything on that in that back pocket, it's really tight now, so really couldn't get anything in there. I think that is about the capacity of this bag when you have those size items in it. But it looks nice, and it's an extremely light bag, so even if you load it up, it's never going to be heavy. Also, you can also get some smaller card cases to give you more room. So, you know, you definitely have some flexibility with, depending on how big or what items or pouches or whatever it is you carry. You know, you have some flexibility there. So, like I said, it does So let me show you how it looks on the body. Now I did have some other pieces that I would possibly, now see, I wouldn't use this wallet. Sidney & Burke, I think it's Sidney & Burke Vachetta leather wallet, flat wallet. And it's just a, you know, standard wallet with, you know, the standard items. And you can get that in there too. And it will close. So you don't have to use, you know, the wallet that I have in there. You could use a regular, or, you know, it's traditional, let's put it that way, traditional type of wallet. You can put that. And then I have my Dooney & Burke Kislop coin case, but I think this is too high for this bag. But let's try. No, it'll fit. Well, yeah, I see. I think I see how it sticks out. I think that is, yeah, and it will not close with that. That's too high. So I would not be able to use that wallet with that bag. And then remember, you do have the zipper pocket area, so you can put some you can put some things in there, like the things I wasn't able to, you know, carry with this. I can just put it in the zipper pocket area, you know, and go from there. So let me show you how it looks on me. And I'm just going to move the camera around and bring it up. And for reference, I am 5'8½", almost 5'9". I think I had it right the first time. There we go, yeah. 5'8½", 5'9". And it looks pretty nice. Now you don't have a whole lot, I don't have a whole lot of clearance. Anyone who is smaller probably would have more clearance than I do. But it's enough for me. And I still have room to swing it back. So, you know, and like I said, it's an extremely light bag. So, you know, you could carry this all day and it not bother you. So let me show you what it looks like as a crossbody. And when you do the crossbody strap or attach it to the bag, you attach it to the same D-ring for the shorter strap. It attaches the exact same way. Let's see if the camera will focus. Okay. And then I'm just going to bring it down so that you can see how it looks as crossbody. And like I said, it is extremely light. And you can take this strap off if you want to. You don't, if you decide to carry it crossbody, you don't have to have this strap on. You can take that off, or you can leave it on. It's up to you. But it looks, I think it looks nice with the strap, honestly, with the two straps. So, but it looks extremely nice where it hangs. I like the way it hangs. And now it is an adjustable strap, and I love the fact that it's a wide strap. So super, super comfortable to carry. I think I have mine on the last notch. So this is as low as it's going to go on me. Like I said, 5'8½", 5'9", so, but still, this is fine for me. I can still get in the bag, get what I need, and, you know, keep going. So this is fine for me, and it looks really nice. That's why I put on the denim shirt, because, you know, denim's a neutral, and, you know, I just think that the bag would be the star of the outfit with something, with a neutral top, let's put it that way, with a neutral top. But I think it's super, super cute. Super, super cute. Let me know what you think. Let me know if this is something that you could carry, you know, given the size of the bag. Because like I said, it is a smaller bag, you know, so, and, you know, smaller bags are not for everybody, but, you know, let me know what you think. Let me know if this is something that you would pick up, if this is something that you could carry every day, you know, let me know. Just going to bring the camera back up and around. Well, I thank everybody for watching. Again, everybody, please, please, please stay safe. Try to protect yourself as best you can, especially if you're one of the people that need or is required to go out every day. Please, please, please do your best to protect yourself. Wear gloves, wear your mask, and we will get through this. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.